So it's 4 p.m. and as you can see, almost looks like a swarm, but it isn't. It's young bees flying for the first time. So around this time, usually it's now end of June. No wait, it's the end of June, yeah. And usually around this time, around 4 in the afternoon, they decide to do the first flight. Earlier in the year, I've seen them fly at 12 because that was the warmest moment. And those were the moments where I thought I was actually dealing with a swarm, because swarms usually leave around 12 to 2 and they never leave around 4. Around 4 usually you're safe. That's at least what I'm even told. And one lady just came to visit.